Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to discuss with you how to delete all data on X. So to delete all data on X, you may want to deactivate your account. But before that, maybe you want to have a copy of all your X data, because basically when you delete your X account, you lose any access to all your data on X platform. So if you want to have your archive, let's tap profile picture in the top left. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy. In your settings, go to your account section, and now let's tap download and archive of your data. Okay, so here are some problems, but after this you should log in to your X account and basically request your X archive. After it, X will prepare large file for you. This will be the zip file, and you must download it when it will be ready. Actually, it may take up to 24 hours, so you should be patient with that. And let me show you now how you can delete your account. Let's go back, make sure that you're in the section your account, and now let's go to deactivate your account. On your screen you have some information that you can read, and at the bottom side of the screen you can see this red deactivate button. You should press it, and then you want to enter your X password to confirm that you really want to deactivate your X account. And after this, your account will be deleted, and all associated data with it will be deleted as well. Of course, if you will not log into your X account after 30 days after deactivation of your account, because if you log in back to your account, the deactivation process will be cancelled. So yeah, that's basically the only way how you can delete your all data on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if it helps you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.